Derek with Eliminex. We're here doing a late fall cricket and pest treatment. To watch my head, I usually wear a bump cap in here. But this is where all the crickets come to hide. See them bouncing around. I already sprayed down here, but it's not instant death. But it gets them running. They're all over the walls, and now they're down out the crawl space. It could be hundreds, and then have some other beetles. And then we're going to put a rodent program next month because he's doing a year-round agreement. I serviced him 2 years ago for a year, and then they had to do remodeling to the house, so I didn't do service all of last year. I'm just doing spraying right now, and then next month I'll come in. I'll put down a rodent program for the incoming rodents because I don't want to be spraying, have chemical treatment, and then try to put a rodent program, and that would contaminate the bait. You can see the camel crickets running everywhere. You should call them spider crickets. At least they don't make noise like the field crickets. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Then we spray under the siding. I sprayed around all under the siding, and then I'm going to go do the garage.